So today we're doing a bit of a deep clean with the EK, and I've got one of these antibacterial shield as well, where we're gonna help clean the AC and the interior. I've got some spiders, a few little spiders inside here as well now. Hopefully this would kill the spiders too and stop the tiny nets from forming. So to begin, I've given this can a solid shake for about a minute or two. You can hear when I shake it now, there's nothing, you can't really hear anything. That's kind of what you want. So long story short, you need to turn on the AC. You need to have the fan on maximum. You have to have it on recirculation. So yeah, make sure the AC is on. Make sure recirculation is on. Maximum cold. You can obviously hear the AC running now, and the very last step, I'm going to put it here, but you can put it, some people put it on the floor here so it sucks straight into the AC vent, but I'm just gonna leave it right here in front of the handbrake. Make sure you're ready to go. When you press on it, make sure it clicks at the back. The idea is the AC is going to suck all this antimicrobial shield through the system and through the vents and help get rid of smell and also kill bacteria. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. Process is basically done. The can finished as you saw. Right now it's actually really strong. There's still a very strong smell of like petroleum in here. So make sure you don't stay in here too long. And I'm just gonna let the car do its thing for another 5 minutes before shutting it off. So yeah, that's how you use one of these antibacterial shield. Hope that helped. If it did, make sure to give me a thumbs up.